In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Play Store and get it to work on an Android 12 using a Orange Pi 5 single board computer. So if you just installed a Android 12 operating system on Orange Pi 5 single board computer, you won't be able to use Google Play Store right off the bat. So what you have to do is you need to configure it so that you can use it. So go to settings, just press the left mouse button and scroll down with it. Go to the gear bar, go to About Tablet, and go to build number. Click this about 6 or 7 times. So you are now a developer. So now you will be able to make changes. So let's go back here and start a search here. Or you could open this, the internet, search search Magisk Manager. I think it's this one. That's not real. That's Softonic is fake. So this is the one that you want to get. This is the Magisk website. Scroll down. Download Magisk app. Download it. Okay. Now let's go here. Here's the app. Install it. Do you want to install this app? Yes. Okay, done. Go back and search something called Magisk GApps. Let's see which one you should get. I think it's basic. Maybe this one. You want to download this file? Yes. Go back. Go back here and see if it's in there. Okay. So it's in .bin file. We have to change that to .zip in order for us to be able to read this. Stop that. Let's go back. Clear all of this, whatever it is. And want to go in here into programs. This is where your programs are at. You could get out like that. Go in like this. Put files. Magisk GApp. Just right click, rename this. So it's Magisk GApp-V.Zip. Or let's just make it that. That's simple. Okay. Press back here. Back. Left click with your mouse and go up or down. Sorry, down. Open the Magisk app. So let's go. We just reboot the operating system. And now I'm going to go into Magisk. We're going to go to modules. Install from storage. Click on this, click on Orange Pi 5. Downloads, so it's right here. Double click. Let that install. Reboot your computer. Okay, now go back to programs. You see this thing right here, right? Click on that. Whoops. Learn more. Device isn't certified. Register your device. Sign into your account. Okay. Now we go to this screen. And it says Google Services Framework Android ID. We're going to have to find that. Let's go to the internet browser. Guess we could open another tab like that. Let's find something called Apkpure. Let's search something called the Device ID app. Okay, now that's downloaded. Just run it. Yes, install it. Open. We just copy and paste this. Damn, I can't copy that. Now we have to find out what kind of actually convert that from hexadecimal to decimal converter. Okay. Control V to copy. That's what it is. Control C to copy. Go back to Control V to copy. Register. This will take, I don't know, maybe 20 to 40 minutes. Then your Google Play Store will work, basically. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions, you could leave it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.